Welcome to 100 Days of Trailhead, where the tech community comes to learn Salesforce, learn tech, get inspired, and invest in ourselves. We are your trail guides, here to support you on your learning journey. We release videos weekly. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. In the description below, you can find links for everything we mention in this video, as well as books and resources we found useful. Visit our blog, 100daysoftrailhead.com, for other helpful Salesforce and tech content.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Rachel.
And we're from 100 Days of Trailhead.
So just so you know a little bit more about us, we've done a variety of things in the community. The first of which we co-founded with Devs, Women in Tech Developers, and that's been going on for a number of years now. We also are co-founders of the second Salesforce Saturday in the world here in Phoenix, and
we are also Salesforce MVPs. And what that means is that members of the community nominated us and said they are doing great things to help the community. And we absolutely love helping the Trailblazer community in the Salesforce ecosystem. That's what this channel is about. That's what we're about. And one benefit of being a Salesforce leader is that we're sent cool gifts. So today we're going to unbox some of the things that the Trailblazer community team and other teams have sent us, and we're going to show you what we got. You ready?
All right.
Let's go.
So the first one is addressed to Jessica. So we've got a box here, and I'm going to go ahead and hand this off to her.
Yay! Okay, so let's see. Oh, wait. Okay, first.
Here, show them the box.
Okay, first the box is beautifully packed. Here it is. And in this box, I got an Astro. I love Astro so much. So cute. Oh, look at this. Yay! Okay, all right. Okay, so I got an Astro, and I got this is a solar light. Oh, this is just adorbs.
Show them in the.
Oh wow, that is so cool.
That is cool.
That is so cool. Okay, and it says "Blaze your trail." Yes, thank you. And let me see the card that they sent me. This card is from the Trailblazer community team. And it says Trailblazer community groups, let's succeed together. And it says, hey Trailblazer, we hope this gift is a welcome surprise. While the physical divide between us has been more prominent in 2020, the love and appreciation in the community remains true and strong. Your leadership guides us forward. Let your new Astro plushie and lantern brighten your spirits.
Oh,
thank you for your continued dedication and contributions toward the Trailblazer community. Happy trails, the Trailblazer community team. This is everything. I just want to say to the Trailblazer community team, thank you for all you do. You're always in the background helping us with content, helping us to succeed as leaders. And I just want to say thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your hard work, and thank you for these goodies. Thank you. Yay! Okay, let's unbox the next thing.
So we're going to open these together. It looks like we've gotten the same or similar. So let's see.
Okay.
What do you have?
I got, this is from Salesforce Essentials.
Yes.
T-shirts that say I heart small business, and I do. I love small business. This is so
cool.
This is amazing. Thank you
Yes.
to Salesforce Essentials. Wow, this is everything. Wow, this is so cool. Did we show you? Wait, let's look at it. Isn't that cool? It's a little Astro with a heart. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And thank you to all of the Ohana that have sent their cards. This year, as you know, has been a particularly difficult year. So don't be surprised if these stay up for probably a few months, even after the holidays, because it brings us joy,
yes.
Right? And we're supposed to keep things in our lives that bring us joy.
Yes.
So thank you to the Trailblazer team. Thank you.
To Salesforce Essentials.
Yes.
Thank you. This is everything. We love it. Thank you.
Thank you. Till next time. Thank you for spending time with us. Please like and subscribe to our channel because we share weekly content to support your tech and Salesforce learning journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. We also handpick these videos which we recommend you watch next. Connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and on 100daysoftrailhead.com, all of which are listed below. Thank you for learning with us, and we'll see you back tomorrow.